Hello, everyone, and welcome back to IELTS with Kashif, where learning English becomes simple and enjoyable. I'm Ayesha, and I'm really happy to have you here today, and I hope you are ready to learn something very useful.
Hello, Ayesha, and hello, everyone. It's always a pleasure to be here, and I'm really excited for today's discussion.
How are you today?
I'm doing great, thank you. And you look excited today. What's special?
I really am excited because today's topic is something everyone needs, especially English learners, and honestly, many students struggle with it.
That sounds interesting. So, what are we talking about?
Today's topic is talking about yourself. A very simple question, but sometimes a very difficult answer.
That question. Everyone hears it. In class, in interviews, and even when meeting someone for the first time.
Exactly. And many people feel nervous because they don't know where to start or what to say first.
But don't worry, today we will make it simple, step by step, with easy examples.
Let's begin with the easiest part, your name. This is always the first step.
For example, you can say, "Hello, my name is Ali," or "Hi, I'm Sarah."
Great. Then you can add where you are from, which helps people understand you better.
"I'm from Pakistan, from a small city, and it's a very peaceful place."
See? Very simple. No need to make it complicated. Just keep it natural.
Next, you can talk about your age or your current situation, whatever you feel comfortable sharing.
For example, I am a student, and I am preparing for IELTS because I want to go abroad.
Or, "I work in an office as a manager, and I enjoy my job."
Now, let's make it more interesting. Talk about your daily life. This makes your introduction more real.
Yes, like where you live and what kind of environment you prefer.
I live in a busy city. It's crowded, sometimes noisy, but I enjoy the energy.
And I prefer a quiet place because it helps me relax and focus better.
Now comes the fun part. What you like. This is where your personality shows.
Everyone loves talking about their favorite things. It makes conversation easier.
For example, I love painting. It makes me feel calm and creative, especially on weekends.
And I enjoy playing football. It keeps me active, and I have fun with my friends.
You can also talk about hobbies, which are very important in communication.
Yes, hobbies show your personality and help people connect with you.
I like reading books, especially stories, because they improve my imagination.
And I enjoy listening to music, especially when I want to relax after a long day.
And don't forget, you can also say what you don't like. This makes your speech more natural.
Exactly. It shows honesty and balance in your personality.
For example, I don't like waking up early, especially on weekends.
Same here. And I don't like waiting in long lines. It feels very boring.
Now, let's put everything together in a simple way.
Hello, my name is Ayesha. I am from Lahore. Currently, I am preparing for IELTS. I enjoy painting and reading in my free time, but I don't like waking up early, especially in winter.
That's perfect. Simple, clear, and very natural. Anyone can understand it.
One important thing to remember. Don't try to speak too much at once.
Yes, you don't need to say everything. Just choose important points.
For example, in an interview, focus on your studies or job.
And in casual conversation, talk about hobbies and interests.
Also, don't be afraid of making mistakes. It's part of learning.
Exactly. Confidence is more important than perfection.
Exactly. Confidence is more important than perfection. Be natural, be simple, and speak with confidence.
And with practice, you will improve very quickly.
Absolutely. And now it's your turn to practice. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to IELTS with Kashif.
And give this video a like. It really supports us.
Also, write 2 to 3 lines about yourself in the comments.
We would love to read them.
Thank you for watching.
Take care and keep practicing your English.
Goodbye.